Hi everyone, hope you're enjoying a beautiful summer day like it is where I am here in Oklahoma. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple solution for a very common household problem, which is when you get ants inside your house. I had tried everything. We suddenly started getting ants when we didn't have them before. I'm highly allergic to ants. I've had anaphylactic shock in the past from ant bites. So this was something I really wanted to solve this problem. So in the end, what I discovered is that these cracks in the wall that you might have in between your brick, where the mortar is, this is where the source is. This is where the ants are coming in to the house. So if you just fill those with something like this, which I got this as Ace Hardware, it's called More-Flexx, and it's flexible, which is important. That will solve your problem. Basically, this is a very simple solution. All you have to do is fill the cracks with something like this, More-Flexx, as the product is called. And there's different products for this. You don't have to use this brand. But basically, you just go around your house wherever you see that you have cracks in the brick and fill in with some mortar filler. This is a very messy DIY project. Definitely I would have some water nearby or damp cloth, because you don't want this to dry on your fingers. It's kind of like concrete. It'll probably give you like some kind of burn if you let it sit on your skin for too long. But basically I just went around the house and found cracks and filled in with this mortar solution. Now, just to let you know, I am not a construction person. This was a pretty messy job that I did here, but you get the idea. We did this a year ago and haven't seen any ants inside the house since. Anyway, hope this helps you out, and if it does, go ahead and share with anyone that you think that might find this useful, and give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.